morning students. Today we discuss about 12th accountancy morning video. In this video we continue the same chapter, that is financial statement analysis. In the previous classes we discussed about the meaning, definition, features, limitations of financial statement, and also meaning, definition, features, limitation of financial statement analysis. And in this video we discuss some problems related to comparative statement. So in the case of financial statement, there are various types of financial statement. Number one is comparative statement. In this comparative statement there are two types of comparative statement, that is comparative income statement, comparative balance sheet. Let us see one example sum of comparative income statement. So in this example, from the following particulars, prepare comparative income statement of XII Company Limited. So in this problem, they are given two date information, that is 2016 to 17 and 2017 to 18. Three information are given: revenue from operation, other income, and expenses. So for comparative income statement preparation, you can work out this type of problem in unruled notebook itself. No need to prepare this statement by using ruled sheets. Okay, you can work out the sum in unruled sheet. Write the chapter heading and work out the sum. So first you can write the comparative income statement of XII Limited for the year ended 31st March 2017 and 31st March 2018. You can prepare 5 columns, one particular column and one 2016 to 17 year column. Second one is 2017 to 18 year column. So these three columns are already given in the sum itself. You can copy it from the sum. Then fourth column is absolute income, absolute amount of increase or decrease, whether plus or minus. The fifth column is percentage of increase or decrease. So by preparing this statement, you can compare one amount with that of the another amount, that is second year amount to the first year amount. You can compare the second year amount to the first year amount and find out whether increase or decrease. First, revenue from operation. The first year amount is 4 lakh. The second year amount is 5 lakh. So you can compare second year amount 5 lakh to first year amount 4 lakh. So automatically 1 lakh will increase. That 1 lakh increase amount will be written in absolute amount of increase or decrease by writing plus 1 lakh. By writing plus 1 lakh, you can write this difference amount, and you can make a percentage for that. How to calculate the percentage means, first in the numerator you can write the difference amount 1 lakh. In the denominator write the first year amount 4 lakh. So 1 lakh by 4 lakh into 100, the percentage will arise plus 25 percentage. And then add other income. It is given in the sum itself. First year amount is 1 lakh, second year amount is 80,000. Compare second year amount to first year amount. It will decrease. The decrease amount is 20,000. So you can write it minus 20,000. Next, find out the percentage. 20,000 by 1 lakh into 100, that is 20%, minus 20. Whatever the sign will come, you can write percentage for the same sign. Whether plus, you can write plus. Whether minus, you can write minus in the percentage column. And now you can add revenue and other income. First year revenue is 4 lakh, other income is 1 lakh. While adding it, the amount is 5 lakh. Second year revenue is 5 lakh, other income is 80,000. The total amount is 5 lakh 80,000. Again, you can compare the total amount. Second year amount will be compared to first year amount. 5 lakh 80 and 5 lakh. The difference is plus 80,000. It will increase. So plus 80,000. And also find out the percentage. 80,000 by first year amount 5 lakh into 100. The percentage is 16%. Plus 16%. From that amount less expenses. Expense is given in the sum itself. First year amount is 3 lakh. Second year amount is 2 lakh 40. So by comparing it, decrease minus 60,000. So write minus 60,000. For that you can find out percentage. 60,000 by 3 lakh into 100. So the percentage is 20%. Minus 20%. Then you can subtract the amount. Total revenue 5 lakh first year. Expense 3 lakh. So the profit before tax is 2 lakh. Second year amount, revenue amount 5 lakh 80. Expense 2 lakh 40. Then the profit is 3 lakh 40. Again you compare the profit. Second year profit will be compared to first year profit. So 3 lakh 40 compared to 2 lakh, it will increase. That is 1 lakh 40,000 plus 1 lakh 40,000. You can write it plus 1 lakh 40,000. And also find out the percentage. Plus 1 lakh 40,000 by first year profit is 2 lakh into 100, 70%. So with that we complete this comparative income statement. So while doing the comparative income statement, you can remember, you can prepare 5 columns. One for particular column, second one first year amount, third one second year amount, fourth column absolute amount of increase or decrease, fifth column percentage of increase or decrease. First you should take the revenue, followed by other income if any, add, then find the total amount, and then less expenses if any given in the sum, subtract it, the profit will arise. You can compare second year amount to the first year amount, and you can write whether increase or decrease, and also find the percentage. While finding out the percentage, difference amount in the numerator divided by first year amount in the denominator for each and every item. For each and every item, take the profit in the numerator and denominator first year amount into 100, the percentage will arise. So by way you can easily prepare comparative income statement. Let us see one sum for comparative balance sheet. In this problem they are asking to prepare comparative balance sheet. For comparative point of view, at least 2-year information will be given in the sum. 2-year information will be given in the sum, and you should compare it and find the difference between these two informations. So in this example sum also they are asking to prepare comparative balance sheet. To date information is given 31st March 2017, 31st March 2018. Some liabilities and assets are given. Likewise you can find out comparative balance sheet. So first you can write the heading, that is comparative balance sheet of Gupta Limited as on 31st March 2017, 31st March 2018. Make 5 column, one particular column, and 2-year column, that is 2 year will be given in the sum itself. You can write 2-year column, 2016 to 17 one column, 2017 to 18 one column, and then fourth column absolute amount of increase or decrease, and then percentage of increase or decrease, fifth column. First write all the liabilities, shareholders fund, non-current liability and other liabilities, then total. For writing the shareholders fund, the first year amount is 2 lakh, the second year amount is 5 lakh 20. So while comparing it, it will increase 3 lakh 20. And find the percentage. 3 lakh 20 by 2 lakh into 100. So 160 percentage. Non-current liability, first year amount 1 lakh, second year amount 1 lakh 20. While comparing it, it will increase plus 20,000. Again calculate the percentage. Difference amount 20,000 numerator by first year amount 1 lakh denominator into 100, 20 percentage. Then current liability, first year amount is 50,000, second year amount is 60,000. While comparing it, it will increase 10,000 plus 10,000. And find percentage. 10,000 by 50,000 into 100. The percentage is 20 percentage. Now total the liabilities. First year liability total is 3 lakh 50. Second year liability total is 7 lakh. Again you compare it. The difference is 3 lakh 50 plus 3 lakh 50. And then find the percentage. 3 lakh 50 by 3 lakh 50 into 100 means 100 percentage. Then take assets. First non-current assets. These are all information given in the sum itself. You can again write it and compare it. First year non-current is 2 lakh. Second year non-current is 4 lakh. The difference is plus 2 lakh. Then find the percentage. 2 lakh by 2 lakh into 100, 100 percentage. Then current assets. First year current assets is 1 lakh 50. Second year current asset is 3 lakh. While comparing it, the difference is plus 1 lakh 50. Then find the percentage. Difference 1 lakh 50 by first year amount 1 lakh 50 into 100, 100 percentage. Now total the total asset. First year total asset is 3 lakh 50. Second year total asset is 7 lakh. While comparing it, 3 lakh 50 and 7 lakh, it will increase 3 lakh 50. So plus 3 lakh 50. Percentage is 100 percentage. That is 3 lakh 50 by 3 lakh 50 into 100. So the percentage is 100. So likewise, you can easily prepare comparative balance sheet. So with that we conclude this video. You can go through these two example sums and write the problem in your unruled assignment notebook accountancy. Already you can start writing it theory point of view, but in this chapter you can write once again the chapter name and work out the sums, even the example sums and exercise sums. So today assignment is 2 example sums, comparative income statement, comparative balance sheet, and the same exercise sums also you can work out it, comparative income statement and comparative balance sheet. So minimum you can solve 4 sums, 2 example sums and 2 exercise sums. Work out it, complete the assignment and send a task completed message in the group between 6 to 9 p.m. without fail. All must send task completed message, mention the subject accountancy. Okay, thank you.